Today I'm going to teach you how to speed bridge. This is an essential mechanic for Bedwars, speedrunning, just a lot of Minecraft to be honest. So watch this video. I really hope you learned something. If you do, please subscribe and let's get into it. Firstly, how do you get to this place where you can practice bridging? You simply join Hypixel.net, just like this. Go to the Bedwars lobby, and then just down here there's a practice guy. Click on him, click bridging, and then you're here. The first thing you want to do is click shift. So this is me clicking shift now. You can see down the bottom right down here, it says sneaking. So click shift and then click S, and I'll be using D, but S or A. Click S and D and come to the edge of the block. And you want your mouse about the middle of this block here, so about here. And while holding all those keys, you want to put your mouse so that you're not moving. See, if I go this way, I walk backwards. If I go this way, I walk that way. So that angle is about 45 degrees. Just needs to be around the middle of the block. It doesn't need to be perfect. And you want it so you're not walking either that way or that way. You want to be able to stay still. So about there. But it doesn't need to be perfect. Once you have this, what you want to do is start by holding Shift, S and D and just right clicking. That's all I want you to do for this first one, okay? So just go along and press it each time you're at the edge of the block. Make sure not to let go of Shift, A or D, and just try to keep that mouse kind of still. It doesn't need to be perfect. Again, just still, okay? So there, and then look at that. I've done my first speed bridge. Well, done my first crowd bridge, definitely not speed bridge. That's all I want you to do for like once or twice. You really don't need to do this much, okay? Now that we've just been holding crouch the whole time, it's time to remove holding crouch the whole time. So again, hold Shift, S and D and come to the edge of the block. Find that sweet spot in the middle where you're not moving side to side. And now you're gonna place, unshift and then shift immediately again, okay? So place, unshift, shift. Okay, and then when you get to this edge of the block, like now, place, unshift, shift. Place, unshift, shift. Okay, and just do that. Just place, unshift, shift immediately. Okay, so all I want you to do is click shift and then shift again. Is place, shift, shift. Place, shift, shift. Place, shift, shift. Okay, and just make sure you get to this end of the block and then do it again, and then do it again, and then do it again. And I just want you to do that until you get to the end of this. So it shouldn't take too long. So I want you to complete that once or twice, just shift. So it should look like that, like your shifting should look like that when you're doing it. Now we just want to remove that wait between placing the next block. So instead of going place, shift, shift, wait, place, shift, shift, we want to go place, shift, shift, place, shift, shift, place, and just do a pattern, okay? So it's place, shift, shift, place, shift, shift, place, shift, shift, and just speed it up. So all you're doing is finding that sweet spot between unshifting and placing. You're just removing that last part. Just practice, practice, practice. You'll get it eventually. Subscribe if this was useful. You can always go back and replay what you want to watch. So yeah, see you in the next video.